Okay, so today we are going to be analyzing functions and determining if the graphs could be a racer's function. Okay, so what it's saying from with the relationship between the distance and the time, could this be a graph representing a racer? So we just looked at a bike race, so we interpreted the graph and we answered the questions, and today we are going to continue doing that. So for each of the graphs below, determine whether or not the graph could be a racer's function. If yes, explain why and describe the race. If not, explain why not and what needs to be changed in order to make it a racer's function. Okay, so if we look at A, could this be a racer's function? So at 1 minute, they've gone, I don't know, we could say this is 50 meters, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. Does this make sense that at 1 minute they would be about 40 meters, at 2 minutes about 70? Is that possible? Yes, it is possible, right? There's nowhere that says they're in two places at once. This is just showing it's a linear function. It's a line. That means they're running at a constant pace the entire time. So yes, this could be a racer that is running at a constant rate the entire race. Let's look at B. So this one, they're running at a constant rate in minutes 0 to 2. So yes, it looks like they could be a racer. So the racer runs at a constant rate from 0 to 2 minutes. And then look, from 2 minutes to 4 minutes, their distance stays exactly the same. So they stop for a break. From 2 to 4 minutes. And then they run even faster because see, look how steep it gets in the last 2 minutes of the race. And they finish, they finish at a faster constant rate from 4 to 6 minutes. So you can tell all of that from just looking at this graph. See how the line's flatter here? So they're going at a slower pace. And then from here to here, their distance didn't change, which means they were in the same place for those whole 2 minutes. They must have stopped to go to the bathroom or to stretch or to sit down and rest for a minute. And then at the end, we can see how the line gets steeper, which tells us that they increased their speed at the very end. Okay, so go ahead and do this for all of the graphs on this assignment.